Hi, I'm Jason Schwartz with Rovi Homes. Welcome to this beautiful house here at 10 View Street in Holyoke, Massachusetts. This house features many updates. Can't wait to show you. Come on in. This 3-bed, 1.5 bath home is move-in ready and includes many updates for you to enjoy. Enjoy summer dining and relaxing in this beautiful added sunroom. Entertain in this finished basement that also includes a bar. Step into the newly fenced-in private backyard with an above-ground pool. Thanks so much for taking this tour with me. If you have any questions, reach out to the number below. I look forward to seeing you at the open house.